Here I have DUODUOGO J6 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off by holding power key, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys power key and volume up at the same time like this. After you enter this kind of menu, here you have to use volume up to navigate and volume down to select, and you have to select the first option, recovery mode. After you see this kind of Android robot and the AUKUNE command message under it, what you have to do is to hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option wipe cache partition. After you see the message cache wipe complete, you have to select the first option, reboot system now, and after that your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.